In this video, I will show you how to change shop name on Depop. Open your Depop app and tap on My Depop at the bottom of the screen. At the top right, tap the three-line menu, then go to Edit My Profile. Here, you can see your current shop name and username. You'll notice that sometimes you can't change your @username directly. That's because handles have stricter limits, while your display name, the name buyers see at the top of your profile, can usually be updated more freely. Rebranding your shop can really help you stand out. When editing your name, try to keep it clear and on-brand. Avoid adding too many emojis or prices, since that can look spammy. If the handle you want is taken or needs support approval, response times can vary, so just be patient. Keeping your shop name clean and professional helps buyers recognize and trust your brand, and makes it easier for them to find you across social media and links. And that's how to change shop name on Depop.